Hey guys, welcome back to the Madera family. We have just been hanging out. We had a busy weekend with plans. So Andrew has fit the first panel onto the transition, and I'll show you guys what that looks like, which is super satisfying because we've been like questioning how that's going to play out. So it's cool to see that actually work. But I don't really have much to update you on this week, and quite honestly, I wasn't really planning on even doing a video. We've been having a rough week, but nothing in particular. We're just kind of busy and, life, right? But one thing that keeps coming up and we keep asking ourselves, and I thought it would be cool to kind of share with you guys, is what is the actual plan with the bus? And we just literally got done having a conversation. Okay, this is very vulnerable, and if I know the majority of our audience is older males, so this might not apply to you guys, which is fine, but it could be kind of an understanding that you guys that you guys get because you've been there. We work so hard, and we finally get to the goal, which is husband, wife, child, house, property, nice cars. And then what? We literally just had this conversation and we were saying we could want for nothing. We literally have everything that someone could want, and we're not fulfilled. And is it our jobs? Is it just our lifestyle? I don't know. It is the question though. It is hard. So I know a lot of you guys probably are thinking stop being a spoiled brat, or don't take things for granted. And I try, I really do, and I am very grateful for the things that we do have in our lives. And we have a healthy son, we're both healthy, and those are all great things. But with all that aside, you know what I'm talking about. You wake up every day just going through the motions, and for what? Life's too short. So we've started to talk about our plan and what should we do? And part of it is really we are 60-40 right now. 60% sell everything and just live on the bus and enjoy life and take away those stresses. Things that we don't even think about that are stressful. We have to get out and plow the fields, or we have to mow the grass. In a bus, you don't have that. You don't have to mow the grass. You don't have to worry about any of that. Yeah, there's going to be different worries, but I don't know. It's sounding so appealing right now. And I don't know if it's just the season that we're in our lives where we're, it's a little chaotic or what it is, but man, does it sound good to just sell everything and live tiny and live a more meaningful life, I guess. I don't know what the answer is. I don't know what's right or wrong. I don't know what's good or bad, but what I do know is that I've talked to a lot of people my age, and we're all feeling that. We are all feeling that we went through the motions. We went to college, we got the degree, we got married, we did all the things we were supposed to, and we're not feeling fulfilled. And it's a real struggle to wake up every day just to go through the motions. It's not good. So I don't know, maybe I just rambled on for 5 minutes about my life problems, but I feel like if anyone's watching this video and you're thinking about living on a bus, you might have some of those same thoughts or feelings that are real and that we all kind of struggle with. I think this community in general really supports the idea of living more essential and for a purpose. And I don't know what that means right now, but hopefully soon I get a sign. I like pray every night, and I'm not that religious, but I've been praying every night, like, give me a sign, give me something, so that we know we're doing the right thing, or that, like, what we should be doing. So I don't know, guys, I felt just like I should share that with you. I'll show you guys where Andrew is on the bus. The transition has been pretty tricky. You have to measure it, and there's no real tool to measure the transition, so we're literally using plastic. We're tracing where we think we need the piece to go. Again, it's plastic, so it moves and shifts, and then Andrew is cutting those pieces. Colton and I are just walking around right now, so I'm sorry if I'm making you guys dizzy by walking around, but I have to chase this toddler. But that's all for this week. Short, sweet. Hopefully it resonates with someone out there. I hope you guys have an awesome week, and we'll see you next week.